સ્વામિનારાયણ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સીના આજના લેક્ચરમાં હું આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. ગયા લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જે છે એ અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઓપરેટર વિશે ભણ્યા. અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઓપરેટર એટલે કે સિંગલ ઇક્વલ ટુ. ઓકે, અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઓપરેટર શેના માટે ઉપયોગ થાય છે? તો અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઓપરેટર is used to assign the value to the variable. मतलब શું કે variable is equal to expression or value. Okay, so this is the syntax used to assign the value or expression to the variable. For example, we take x is equal to, suppose के integer x and x is equal to 5. Okay, तो અહીંયા જે છે કે તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે x શું છે? વેરિયેબલ છે. અહીંયા 5 શું છે? વેલ્યુ છે. અને અહીંયા જે is equal to દેખાય છે એ શું છે? અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઓપરેટર. ઓકે, એવી જ રીતે આપણે બીજું એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ તો અહીંયા આપણે લખીએ કે ઇન્ટીજર x y અને z. અહીંયા આપણે લખીએ સપોઝ કે x is equal to y plus z divided by x. ઓકે, તો અહીંયા જે છે એ તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે this is the variable, this is the expression, and here this is equal to is assignment operator. Okay, so this is the variable, this is the expression, and is equal to is the assignment operator. Okay, as we see in the previous lecture that the single equal is used for assigning the value, or we can say that this single equal is used to assign the value, and double equal to here double equal to is used as relational operator to compare both values. એટલે કે ડબલ ઇક્વલ ટુ જે છે એ ડબલ ઇક્વલ ટુ જે છે એ is used as a relational operator. એટલે કે એમનો ઉપયોગ જે છે એ એઝ અ રિલેશનલ ઓપરેટર તરીકે કરવામાં આવે છે. શેના માટે? to get to compare both the value. એ વેલ્યુ કમ્પેર કરવા માટે જે છે એ રિલેશનલ ઓપરેટરનો ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. ઓકે, સો double equal to it means this. Okay, so this double equal to is used to compare both the value, and the single equal to is used for a assignment operator, or used as an assignment operator. Okay, then the next is shorthand method for assignment operator. So we see that if x is equal to x plus 1, then we can write it as a shorthand method, such like that x is equal to plus is equal to 1. So this is the shorthand method. Okay, then let's check the another one, that y is equal to y plus z minus 1. So here we can write in a shorthand method just like y plus is equal to z minus 1. Okay, so what we are doing in a shorthand method, we just remove it and proceed to the plus here. Okay, you can see that we remove the repeated variable, that is the y, and we move this addition or plus operator to the front of a equal to. Okay, so here you can say that y plus is equal to z minus 1. So let's take one another example, that p is equal to p plus q minus r plus z. Okay, so if you find this kind of the operator expression, then you can write in a shorthand method just like p plus is equal to q minus r plus z. Okay, so you can write in a shorthand method just like that. So now today we are going to learn about the new operator, that is the increment and decrement. So let's start with the increment operator. So in a increment, so what is the increment operator first? Okay, so increment operator is unary operator. First of all, it is a unary operator, that is a plus. Okay, second thing, the increment operator is used to increase the value by 1. Okay, first of all, this is the unary operator. Okay, so it means this operator is used with a single variable. Okay, how we see in this lecture. Okay, but you have to remember that the increment operator is a unary operator. The second thing is that the increment operator is used to increase the value by 1. It means the value of x is 6. Then when you use the increment operator, then the value of variable is 6 from the 7. Okay. The next, there are two types of increment operator. Take first pre-increment and second post-increment. Okay, so pre-increment means x plus x, and post increment is x plus plus. Okay, so you have to remember that in a pre-increment the plus is written before the x, and in the post increment plus is written after the x. It means this is the variable x. Okay, you can take any variable instead of x, but the place of the plus is important to decide which one is the pre-increment and which one is the post-increment. Okay, so when the plus is in front of x, it means that is a pre-increment, and if the plus is after the particular x or particular variable, then it is a post-increment. So this is the pre-increment and this is the post-increment. Okay, so let's understand with the example so you can understand it better. Now example. Okay, first for pre-increment. Okay, so for pre-increment, let's say integer x and n. Okay, here when I write x is equal to plus n, it means that first when it executed, then n is equal to n plus 1, and then x is equal to. Okay, so what happened if I take here, if I take x is equal to, n is equal to 5, then according to this, the first n is equal to n plus 1, n is equal to n plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, and then x is equal to, and it means x is equal to 6. Okay, and here n is equal to 6. So this is the pre-increment. What is the pre-increment? That when you assign the pre-increment to the particular variable, then what happened? First increment of the variable by 1 and then assign the value to the variable. Okay, so if the value of n is 5, then according to this n is equal to n plus 1, so n is equal to 5 plus 1, then n is equal to 6, and then after assign the value that x is equal to n, it means that x is equal to 6. So in a pre-increment, first increment the value by 1 and then assign to the variable. And in a post-increment, let's take the same example that integer x and n. I write here x is equal to n plus. It means that first of all x is equal to n, then n is equal to n plus 1. So according to this, if I take n is equal to 5, then here what happened? First n is equal to 5, then the first value assign the n to the x, that x is equal to n, it means x is equal to 5, and then increment the value by 1, n is equal to n plus 1, it means that 5 plus 1 and n is equal to 6. So here what happened, then you can see when you use the post increment, it means that when you type double plus after the particular variable, then what happened? First assign the value to the particular variable, then increment the value by 1. So when we take the value of n is 5, then x is equal to n, it means that the value of x is 5, then n is increment by 1, then n is equal to 5 plus 1, that is n is equal to 6. You can see here that x is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6, and here you can see that n is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6. The difference between the pre-increment and post-increment is that when you use the pre-increment, the value of particular variable is increment first, then the value assigned to the particular variable. And same for the post increment. When you use the post increment, then first assign the value to the particular variable, then this variable is incremented by 1. Okay, so when we take n is equal to 5, then x is equal to n, so x is equal to 5, n is equal to n plus 1, same, n is equal to 6 and x is equal to 5. So this is the increment operator, that is the pre-increment, and after the post-increment. So I hope you understand this increment operator, that is the pre-increment and post-increment. We will meet in a new lecture with the decrement operator. Till Jai Shri Ram.